Hello friends, hope you're all doing good. Today let us see how to make a Ivy Gourd stir fry. So first you need to boil the Ivy Gourds in a cooker. For that, if there are any dust particles or waste regions in the Ivy Gourd, scrape them out and then cut the two edges of each Ivy Gourd and then put them in a cooker. Pour water till it immerses and let it boil. After 2 whistles, switch off the cooker. And then cut onions into bigger pieces. The Ivy Gourd has boiled and then you can cut them into pieces, small circular pieces. Now heat oil in a kadai. Add mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, and then add the onions. These are like two medium sized onions chopped. Mix it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Add all the cut Ivy Gourd pieces to the onion and mix it well. Now add 2 heaped teaspoons of Sambar powder. It can either be homemade Sambar powder or even you can use Achi masala or Shakti masala Sambar powder. Anything is fine. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. After adding sambar powder, make sure it cooks for few minutes until the raw smell goes away. So after chili powder, you can now add salt to taste. Mix it well. Finally, you can add 1 teaspoon of ghee for flavor and mix it well. That's it, friends. Your Ivy Gourd stir fry is ready. You can have it along with rice as a side dish or as a side dish for rotis. Thank you.